Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Disabling CUDA in Python can be useful in situations where you want to run your code on a machine without a compatible GPU or if you're facing compatibility issues. CUDA is a parallel computing platform and application programming interface model created by Nvidia, and it's primarily used for GPU acceleration. To disable CUDA in Python, you typically need to interact with a library that utilizes CUDA, such as TensorFlow or PyTorch. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to disable CUDA in both TensorFlow and PyTorch, two popular deep learning libraries that use CUDA for GPU acceleration. In this example, we use tf.test.is_GPU_available, to check if CUDA is available. If it is, we proceed to disable it by setting memory growth on each GPU device using tf.config.experiment.set_memory_growth. This ensures that TensorFlow only uses GPU memory as needed and doesn't allocate all available GPU memory upfront. In this PyTorch example, we use torch.cuda.is_available, to check if CUDA is available. If it is, we disable it by setting torch.backends.cud.enabled to false and overriding the torch.cuda.is_available function to always return false. This effectively disables PyTorch's use of CUDA. Remember to insert these code snippets at the beginning of your script or notebook before importing any other deep learning libraries that might use CUDA. By following these steps, you can easily disable CUDA in your Python code when needed. Keep in mind that disabling CUDA may significantly impact the performance of your deep learning models, especially if they are designed to leverage GPU acceleration. ChatGPT.